Okay, so now we're going to look at some of the equipment that is great to use with doing live streaming. So one of the easiest things to do live streaming with is the Logitech HD Pro Webcam 920. So this is $50. It is very efficient. It is a plug and play item. So when I say that, what I mean is you can plug it into your computer and it should automatically configure it. Now, if you do have an Apple, you do want to download the app to go with the Logitech so that you will be able to zoom in. So with the Logitech, what you want to do is you want to get a tripod. Okay, so here's a lightweight tripod, and what you're looking for is you're looking for a tripod that has this handle on it where you can adjust it and move your camera up and down. You also want one to be as tall as you need it to be in order to be able to see. You want the camera to be facing you. So as you see right now, I have my camera sitting right on my computer monitor. So it is directly into my face, which is what you want. But you also want to have this little telescoping ability so that you can push it down to show your surface if you are working on a surface. So if you are doing gaming, then you're going to need a screen capturing device and your camera. So if you are gaming, you can actually use the screen capturing from OBS, or you can invest in something that is a little bit more upscale, such as software that you can put on your computer. There are quite a few screen capturing softwares out there. Camtasia is a really good one. You also may be able to use your graphics card. A lot of the graphics cards these days for gaming come with their own software. So let's take, for example, the GTX. So the GeForce has their own version, and it's called Shadow Play. So you can download this and it will capture your screen. There are other ones out there that are inexpensive, such as Action. So you would want to have that on your computer so that you could actually record your face, because it's important to record your emotions as well as your screen, what you're doing. So these also work for if you would be doing live streams to actually do something such as educational. You can also use Zoom. So Zoom is actually what I'm on right now. Zoom only allows you to have about 30 or 45 minutes free. If you want to be able to do it longer than that, you do have to pay a yearly fee. But it is a great thing to have. You can share your screen as well as have your face seen. So some of the other things that you're going to want to have is you're going to want to have some type of lights. So box lights are wonderful to use if you are going to be doing any type of live videos, because it is going to be one of the things that you're really going to struggle with is the lighting. You can find some pretty inexpensive box lighting. You want to make sure that they have this cover here. So this is a diffusing cover, and what that means is it's not going to put harsh light on you. These are all excellent, and most of them come with the stands, as you see here, so that you can put it where you need it to be. In addition to that, you can get a ring light. So there are expensive versions and there are inexpensive versions. So this here is a less expensive version. Here's a less expensive version. And the thing with the ring light is it shines really directly towards you. It is excellent if you're going to be seeing your face. So it's very softening. A lot of people say that it makes them look years younger. It is a really good light to have. You can get these for your phone. Okay, so some of the things that you can do to try to keep your space from getting taken over by your lights and your cameras, you can actually get wall mount tripods. So you can get different types of mounts in order to mount your lights and your cameras on your wall. You can also use track lighting to do that. It really just depends on what's in your space and really what you need for your space to work. Now, I actually have my box lights mounted above my head. I have cameras mounted above my head. I have some coming out from the wall, and that just allows me to still have space in my room in order to move around without having to sacrifice getting as many camera angles as I would like to get. You can also use actual video cameras. These also link right into your computer, just like the webcam would. You would do exactly the same thing. Once you have plugged it into your computer, you would go in and add it into OBS. Now, these have really nice features. They are made for video recording, but of course, as you change, you're going to be changing how much you're going to be spending on these cameras. Of course, you can use cameras that you have that are DSLR with a cam link. You do want to check with your camera and see if it is compatible with a cam link. A cam link is essentially an adapter that is used to plug into your computer in order to live stream from your camera. There aren't very many that actually allow you to do that, so you will want to just do a check on it and see if that's an ability. If it is, you can really get crystal clear. Probably the most crystal clear you can get would be from a DSLR that has that link without really going to a more professional setup. So that's really all the tools you need in order to use OBS to live stream on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, through Periscope, Twitch, and some of the other platforms. So I hope you enjoyed this training. And if you would like to see more trainings like this, I do have a group where I teach monthly trainings. And they range from anywhere from how to set up your business to how to work social media, more technical aspects such as this, how to do live streaming. My instructions are very step-by-step. And we have a great group. If you would like to have more information, make sure that you click the link below. And I will have more trainings coming out soon. For sure, I will have one in detail, in depth on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this and let me know what you thought. Thank you.